Okay, so if you're anything like me and your busy schedule doesn't allow you to naturally tan, then self-tanning's probably the way to go for you. So I know a lot of people who have fears of like turning orange or it being blotchy or streaky or anything like that. And really it's all about finding the right self-tanner for you. So I've tried so many different self-tanners and some of them work, some of them don't. But what I have found works best for me is the Fakebake Flawless Darker. Sorry about that siren. So I find that the Fakebake Flawless Darker complements my golden olive undertone really well, and it's also super easy to apply. So it does have a spray, and I just spray that onto my mitt, rub it on in circular motions, and it takes me maybe 8-10 minutes to do a full body application, then maybe 3 to 5 minutes for it to completely dry to the point where you can put on a white dress or get in white sheets and go to sleep. Anything like that, and you don't have to worry about it rubbing off. So I'm going to walk you through my self-tanning routine start to finish, and we're going to start off in the shower because shaving and exfoliating is going to be the most important thing to get a smooth, flawless tan. So if you want to learn how I self-tan, just keep on watching. Alright, so I like to start off by taking the Soap and Glory Scrub of Your Life body polish all over my body to make sure that we don't have any rough patches that the self-tanner will cling to. And then of course followed by shaving. And then when I'm done in the shower, I'll take the Soap and Glory Righteous Butter and put that all over to make sure that we don't have any dry patches. So when it's time to actually start self-tanning, I'll take a little bit more of the Righteous Butter and put it on my knees, ankles, elbows, and wrists. So I like to take my self-tanner and do 3 sprays on the mitt and do sort of long circular or oval motions, just working in sections. When most of the self-tanner is off the mitt and worked into my leg, I'll take it down around my ankle and my foot just so that it's a gradual tan rather than a lot of color right there on my foot. And I'll do the same thing with my hands when I'm done working on my arms. So moving on to the upper body, I take it on my arms and my chest, and I also take it on my belly and my back. I'll generally have my husband come in and help me out with my back just so that I make sure that it's completely even. And I'll take it up and around my neck, but I don't self-tan my face. I just go a shade or 2 darker with my foundation. So that's it. It looks super natural in the end. I absolutely love it. I do it about once a week, and this is the finished result. So if you liked this video, make sure you leave it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite self-tanner is. And if this helped you out, make sure you share it with your friends. I'll talk to you next time.